Using a different tool, one of the reasons I really like mat-based work is the additional leverage and pleasure I can deliver. I'm going to come with my knee right here, and I have to check in with Tim. Is that too much across your wrist or your thumb, Tim? Now, if I'm hanging out right there, do you want more pressure up towards the thumb or down towards the pinky?
Up towards the thumb.
Okay. There you go. And then out distal or proximal?
Proximal's great.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So if I'm holding right there, what if I give you a little, any difference?
Not too much.
Not too much? What about right there?
It feels good, but I don't feel anything stretching too.
Okay. Now, if I just give you more straight down.
Yeah.
There we go. So I had to stack my hips so that I could just lean body weight down. This really saves my hands. When I was doing this with my thumbs, Tim was saying like, ooh, that's a little sharp. Using a broader tool, they can usually take pressure more easily. In the end, that pressure also is always determined by Tim, meaning if it's too much, he just recoils because he tightens up. If I'm giving him adequate pressure, people can relax and just ease into it. How's it there, Tim?
That's good.
Good. Now if I stack a little higher, right there, how's that? There we go. Since
I'm wider?
Sure. Yeah, any sort of movement you want to do actively, awesome. Even little movements along the wrist. I was just adding some of this. When I press down through the forearm, how's that?
Yeah, good.
There we go. Right there. And then slowly, gonna brace myself so I can slowly back off. How's that? What's the difference in how it felt, Tim, between like the sharp sort of cross fiber friction and the knee?
The sharp was real detailed, real precise, but pretty intense. The knee was more broad, a little more diffuse, but I could take more pressure that way. It felt pretty good through the wrist as well too.
Little space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially the addition to the downward pressure of the knee and then the pressure on the forearm.
See, even this now feels a little different. Just that little bit.